guys, today I'm shooting a little promo video for Pumphouse Coffee Roasters here at the West Palm Beach Collective. So for this shoot, I'm actually only using one camera. It's very quick run and gun stuff. So what I like to do first is get here, talk to the client, which is Pumphouse Roasters, kind of get comfortable with everyone, start capturing B-roll if they're busy. Usually the first thing I actually like to do is to shoot an interview first, so then I could have the B-roll to go to that story versus doing it the other way around. So I just finished shooting the interview with Christian, covered the basics about where they're located, what hours they're here. I'm gonna put this video together so they can use it for their social media, Facebook and Instagram.
What's going on, guys? It's Christian over here at Pumphouse Coffee Roasters. We are over here at the West Palm Beach Collective here in City Place. We're going to be operating out of here 6 days a week with the exception of Monday, and we'll be rocking and rolling all the way through season till April 30th. We're going to be having a full espresso offering here with some talented team members, and can't wait to bring our amazing coffee right to you guys here at City Place. So come check us out.